children, welcome to the online class. This is first standard English textbook. All of you open your textbook, page number 30. Page number 30. See here children, this is second lesson. This is third lesson. The burnt rotis. The burnt rotis. Okay. Already you have studied. This story gives us the message that we should always stand by our family members' side. We should share our feelings with our family members. Okay children, because our parents take care for us only. Okay. Then today we are going to study about some grammar points. Page number 30. May or can. In your school, when you are going to outside, if you want to go outside, on that time you have to ask. You are asking your teacher, may I ask you a question? May I go to toilet? May I go to outside? May I come in? That like you are asking these questions for your teacher. To your teacher, okay? Read the following sentences from the lesson. May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question? Here, the boy is seeking permission from his father to ask a question. The word may is used to seek permission to do something. Now, read the following sentence. Can you pass me the book? Can you pass me the book? Here, the speaker is asking. The speaker is asking if the other person can pass the book. We cannot use the word may. Listen carefully this one. The may is used to seek permission to do something. Listen here this one. To do something, on that time only we have to use the may word. Can word, where we have to use? Where do we use the can word? Here the speaker is asking if the other person can pass the book. We cannot use the word may. On that time we do not. We cannot use the word may. We can use only that time can. Here, because we are not seeking permission to pass the book. The word can is used to check if someone is able to do something. You have to listen carefully children. May and can, these are the two question words. But here will be the difference is there. In the may word is used to seek permission to do something, but the word can is used to check if someone is able to do something. These are the two question words when we have to ask. Then where we use these words? When we use these words, okay? May is used to seek permission to do something. Can is used to check if someone is able to do something. In your school, and then every students, they will asking some questions to your teacher. On that time you should use these two where the word is suitable for that sentence, suitable for that question asking to the teacher. May I go to the washroom? See here children. Conversation this is. May I go to the washroom? The teacher will say, yes, you may. Yes, you may. They have used here may word. Okay. See here, in this side, can you all finish your work in 10 minutes? Can, the teacher is telling to the students, Can you all finish your work in 10 minutes? If they can, they will say yes, we will can. Otherwise we can. If they do not can, on that time they have said can't. Okay? See here. May I ask you a question? Seeking permission from his father to ask a question means may is used to seek permission to do something. Can is used to check if someone is able to do something. Okay? The second one is form pairs and ask question for the following situations. Depend upon situations you can ask. Ask your friend permission to use his or her pencil. Ask your friend permission to use his or her pencil. See here, M-A-Y, may I use your pencil? May I use your pencil? Question mark. You have to make question sentence. It means interrogative sentence you have to make from this sentence. B. Ask your friend if he or she can pass your notebook. Write it in. Make it a question sentence. Can you pass my notebook? Question mark. Okay, third one is ask your friend if he or she can draw a flower. Can they have given, so you have to use here can starting. Okay, here they have asking permission, so you have to use here may. The last one is can you draw a flower? Question mark. Write this properly. The next one is complete the sentence. They have given here some pictures. Look at the pictures of Avi and Avika's family spending a Sunday together. Okay, use the words from the box to complete the sentence given below. They have given here 4 words in the box: play, reads, help and eat. Here they have given breakfast, ludo, water plants, bedtime stories. These pictures, you can see this one. Breakfast, first one picture, it will shows us breakfast. The second one shows us ludo. The third one shows us water plants. The fourth one shows us bedtime stories. We have to use these, then these words. From make these words we have to use to make a complete sentence. Okay, I will read, then I will tell you one by one. You have to copy it. Follow me that. In the morning, Evika and Davy's family eats. Use eat. Breakfast. Breakfast together. Copied it properly. Full point. The second one is in the afternoon. They use it play word here use. Play is a ludo. You use here ludo. Full point. Third one. In the evening, Evika and Evi help. Use the help word on the given box. Next, help water plants in the garden. Plants in the garden. The last one, at night mother reads. Use the given words in the box. Reads. Last one, bedtime stories. Bedtime stories. Okay children, I will read for it one more time. You have to copy it neatly in your textbook. In the morning, Evika and Davy's family eats breakfast together. First one. Second one, in the afternoon, they play Ludo. Third one, in the evening, Evika and Davy help water plants in the garden. Fourth one, at night, mother reads bedtime stories. Okay, you have to complete it properly in your textbook. See here children. The last one is page number 32. Page number 32. The last question is, listen to the conversation between the brother and sister Ishan and Ishita. Then tick the correct options to answer these questions. Okay. See here. What was Ishan looking for? What was Ishan looking for? Ishan was looking for notebook. This is notebook. Take the notebook. Given box. The second question is, where did Ishita tell Ishan to search for the notebook? Where did Ishita tell Ishan to search for the notebook? Bookshelf, last picture. Bookshelf, right here, then tick the mark in the last box. Okay. The third one is, what was Ishita doing? What was Ishita doing? Three pictures they have given here. The second one is, Ishita is painting. Ishita is coloring. Okay, the second picture, it is correct. Take this one, second. Fourth one, where did Ishita tell Ishan to look for the notebook finally? Three pictures they have given. The last one is bag. So you have to tick the bag column. Fifth one is, where did Ishan find the notebook? Ishan find the notebook in the bag. Okay. The first one. The first one question is, the second one answer. This is notebook. Second question is, the third one picture is there, bookshelf. Tick that. Third question is second one answer. Fourth question is third one answer, third picture. The fifth question is first picture, it is the answer. Okay. You have to copy these properly. Okay children. Then this one also. See here, already you have studied in this chapter the burnt rotis. We address our family members with different names. Mother, father, amma, abba or dadi. Like this we have to ask. Okay. We shares our feeling, whatever. Okay. Joy or sorrow feelings also share with our family members. They will only care for us. Okay children. See here, this story gives us the message that we should always stand by our family members' side. Okay. In this chapter we have studied the grammar points, long and short I sounds, how to spell. Then names of the family members, grandmother, grandfather, father, mother, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, that like. Then articles, am, is, are, where we should use these words. Okay, in the present only we should use these words. Okay, next, may and can. How can we use? Where we have to use these words? Where those words we have to use? If there is a, if it is possible to use, and if it is right to use the given sentence, which word may or can. Okay, this like we have studied in this lesson. Okay children, read the lesson properly, then write this given, copy this neatly in your textbook. Take care children.